Hey ho, YouTube. It's me again, Destiny Toys. Going to open up another figure. I'm doing this a week in advance. I just wanted to open this figure and I figure why waste it? Let's record it. Well, I've chosen Clamp Champ. I have some of these for sale on my eBay store. Destiny Toys. But you don't have to buy them from me. So, let's get into it. He's got the power pincer. I heard that he's not strong enough to hold up a figure above his head, which makes sense. Yeah. So, let's destroy this box. Gotta make some holes. Isn't that pretty? So, first, here's where he breaks apart. And next, this looks like it's also the Battle Armor He-Man or Skeletor. Yeah, it says Battle Armor Reborn. I'll see if I'll show you a couple of frames from it, cells, whatever you want to call it, panels. Doesn't he look like the Burger King? Clamp Champ. Oh, yep, this looks like a good comic. I won't spoil it for you guys. The art's really good in it, though. Is there anything else worth showing in it? Yeah, it's like Battle Armor He-Man and Battle Armor Skeletor. That's all I'm going to show you of that. Now let's get to the figure. We're probably going to need these. First, hey, that's kind of neat. How does this work? Oh, I see. You fold them back. And you press this. Gotcha. Fold it back until it clicks. And you got this button right here. Just press it down. Down, not in. Oh. Okay. And here's another clamping tool for his other hand, I guess. It's ridiculous. I like to clamp. Okay, so he's got, I don't see any T-shaped, I just see the jelly bands, so let's get rid of those. Oh yeah, almost dropped his extra hand. Now, this is a nice figure. Oh, he's got that same problem. Why is it with this line of figures this happens? I mean, I usually can fix it each time, but like, it shouldn't happen. The weird sausage fingers. So I'm just bending his hand back. I don't know how well you can see that. Bending his hand back and I'm pushing on it like I'm going to break his fingers. I'm holding it there. If that doesn't work, I will put it in some really hot water for a few minutes and then do it. Let's see now. I'll let go. See? I might have to do that one more time. But that's a lot better, isn't it? That's a lot better. He doesn't have arthritis hands. Okay, so he's got some weight because of the armor. Any of those with this on And this is not as hard as it used to be. This is actually rubbery. Remember, these were like really hard in the back in the day. This is actual rubber now. So, yeah, it just like comes off. I wish the Prince Adam vest came off like that, but you can slip it off over his head. Now, oh yeah, speaking of heads, there's an extra head. Here's Clamp Champ not taking no guff. And here's Clamp Champ ready to hand you something. Hand you your own ass. Yeah. This is cool. I might actually use one of these heads for my Sun Man. But so let's put we'll pose it on the camera. Oh, this has nice joints. They click. I like that. Real nice and sticky. Especially even in the ankles. Well made. A well-made figure. I guess that's just indicative of this particular model. So that should fit right in his hand. Don't tell me he's not going to hold it like, push it all the way down as far as I can. Then he's so muscular he can't reach across his own chest to put his other hand on that. So really it's just one. But he's better than just his clamping. I mean, there gotta be some better weapons for him. He can't use this oversized claw all the time. Pop his head off, put his alternate head on, and his alternate hand. Just pull and twist. We're gonna line that up. I like to hold it to my chest. Yeah, till it knocks. Okay, we gave him the intimidating face. I like this much better. Wait, this knee feels a little loose. I spoke too soon. I can see through it. You can't, but I mean I can see through it. So all in all, he's a good figure. And that is my review of Clamp Champ. He also has some really neat looking boots that you can use for your other figures. Of course, his arms and legs and body and all that stuff. If you have the Warriors or Rulers of the Sun action figures, good mix and match material with him. You want to make a Mr. T out of him? I'd like to see that actually. So yeah, let's stand him up. Let's see if he'll obey. There he is. Clamp Champ. Alright everybody, if you have suggestions for a figure I could open up, I have a whole bunch here, I have a whole bunch over there. I've shown a little, look at my other videos where my shorts too, where I show off my collection. Yeah. I have a lot of figures. I don't have every single one. I think I'm lacking about 20, I guess, if you count the Ninja Turtles and the Snake Men. Those are the two ones I don't collect. But all the rest I have, except for maybe Koldar, Thunder Punch, Dragon Blaster, and Digitino. The rest I have. So, if you want to see one opened up, just email right here. And that's all for that. See you next time.